Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Study to Learn. This is Pooja Rajor and in this video we will understand about patterns in mathematics page number 1, 2 and 3, that is grade 6th Ganita Prakash textbook. So this is your chapter number 1, patterns in mathematics, right? So first we have to understand about what is mathematics. So mathematics is in a large part the search of patterns and for explanation as to why those patterns exist. Such patterns indeed exist all around us in nature, in our homes and schools, and in the motion of the sun, moon and stars. They occur in everything that we do and see, from shopping and cooking to throwing a ball and playing games to understanding weather patterns and using technology. Means if we read this passage, so we understand that math is everywhere, right? So math is everywhere in day-to-day life. We do so many things जिसमें हम maths use करते हैं. If you observe your surroundings, so you will get so many patterns जिसमें आप देखोगे कि as if you take the example of sunflower में आप देखोगे आपका ये सर्कल होता है, ये पैटर्न एक जा रहा है, राइट? फिर इसके ऊपर एक और पैटर्न जा रहा है. सो दिस इज ऑल आर पैटर्न. दिस इज नॉन एज पैटर्न विच वी गेट फ्रॉम आर सराउंडिंग, राइट? सो अगर हम कुछ कुकिंग कर रहे हैं या शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं उसमें एक पैटर्न होता है, या हम कुछ गेम्स खेल रहे हैं उसमें एक पैटर्न होता है. सो दिस पैसेज इज ऑल अबाउट योर हाउ द मैथ्स यूजफुल इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, राइट? सो एंड द मेन थिंग इज दैट ये जो चैप्टर है हमारा पैटर्न्स इन मैथमेटिक्स, पैटर्न एंड देयर एक्सप्लेनेशन, इट इज यू कैन से फन एंड क्रिएटिव. यू कैन से ये जो गणिता प्रकाश बुक सीबीएसई ने या एनसीईआरटी ने जो बनाई है, इसमें जो ये चैप्टर है इसके अंदर आपको ये बताया जा रहा है कि व्हेन यू लर्न अबाउट द पैटर्न्स इन मैथमेटिक्स, सो आप उसके थ्रू अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को इनहैंस करते हैं, राइट? आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को इनहैंस करते हैं. सो दिस इज द रीजन दैट मैथमेटिशियंस थिंक ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स बोथ एज एन आर्ट एंड अ साइंस. इस बुक के अंदर आपकी जो मैथ्स आप लर्न करेंगे वो रिलेट करेगा आर्ट एंड साइंस दोनों को, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट इन दिस पैसेज. एंड if we read this passage of this page, it is important to keep in mind that mathematics aim to not just find out what pattern exists. ये मैथ्स को अंडरस्टैंड करना, इसका एम सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि पैटर्न कौन सा है, बट ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर व्हाई दे एग्जिस्ट. बट इसमें ये भी एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको लर्न करने में हेल्प करता है कि अगर कोई पैटर्न बन रहा है तो वो पैटर्न कैसा बन रहा है, क्यों बन रहा है, राइट? Such explanation can often then be used in applications well beyond the context in which they were discovered, which can then help to propel humanity forward. ये सब आपको हेल्प करेगी इसके एप्लीकेशन में कि आप कहाँ पे इस चैप्टर को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ पैटर्न द मोशन ऑफ स्टार्स, जैसे स्टार्स का मोशन है, प्लैनेट्स का मोशन है, सैटेलाइट्स का मोशन है, ये सब एक पैटर्न होता है. Without any pattern, we cannot do anything, allowing us to launch our own satellite and send rockets to the moon and to Mars. These all include the patterns only. So it's all about your pattern, right? So see, so your first figure it out. This is your first figure it out. Now, first question. Can you think of other examples where mathematics help us in everyday life? क्या आप कोई एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो जहां पे आप मैथ्स को अपनी लाइफ में यूज करते हो, विच ऑब्वियसली इंक्लूड द पैटर्न? सो यस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू मैनेजिंग द मनी, suppose you are going for the shopping and you have to manage your amount, whatever you have the money with you. So that management is known as your example which help us in our everyday lives, right? Then preparing food, Then you can say when traveling in which you can say figure it out. Your distance, your time, maybe the cost also. So these all things you like you use your daily life, everyday life you can use. Right. Now the second question, how has mathematics helped propel humanity forward? You might think of examples involving carrying out scientific experiments, running our economy and democracy, building bridges, houses or other complex structures, making TVs, mobile phone, computer, bicycles, train, cars, plane, calendars, clock, etc. So how that maths help it? This is only for the discussion. Actually, it's already mentioned in this NCERT maths talk. So like mathematics drives progress in various field. Mathematics जो है आज के टाइम में बहुत प्रोग्रेस कर रही है. For example, weather pattern हो गया. If we need to predict the weather, so इसका pattern होता है when you open the Google और वहाँ पे आप जब weather search करते हैं तो आप देखोगे Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday आपको weather show होता है. And in designing video games, आप video games बनाते हैं, that is also I guess your pattern in mathematics, right? And so many things in which you can see that you use your maths in everyday life, right? So mainly these two questions only just to discuss in your class. The main things which we start, that is patterns in numbers. Patterns in numbers, right? So among the most basic patterns that occurs in mathematics are patterns of numbers, particularly patterns of whole number. Mainly जो हम पैटर्न सीखते हैं, it is include your whole numbers. Mainly जो हम सीखते हैं. So the whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In which including 0, and these numbers are natural numbers. When we include 0, so these all numbers are known as whole numbers, right? So this is also a pattern. Anyone can tell me how we are getting this pattern? So if your first number is 0, so what we are doing? We are adding 1, and so that we can get the next number. Then take this number, again add 1, again you are taking next number. Then take this number, add 1, you will get next number. Then take 3, add 1, then you will get 4, next number. So what pattern you are getting? You are adding 1 every time. This is the pattern. How? The explanation of the pattern that you are getting whole numbers. How? +1 करने से. जब आप हर नंबर में +1 करते जा रहे हैं तो आपको नेक्स्ट नंबर मिलता जा रहा है. That is the whole number, right? So the branch of mathematics that studies pattern in whole number, जो मैथ्स की ब्रांच मैथ्स की पैटर्न्स को स्टडी करती है, that is known as number theory, right? And what is number sequence? Number sequence is also there. That is the most basic and among the most fascinating types of patterns that mathematicians study. Number sequence क्या होता है? ये बहुत बेसिक होता है जो कि मैक्सिमम जो मैथमेटिशियंस हैं वो स्टडी करते हैं कि क्या पैटर्न बन रहा है. जैसे कि मैंने ये एग्जांपल लिया था which is given in your book also. This is the whole number pattern 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. तो ये क्या होता है? ये एक पैटर्न है, right? जब हम कोई पैटर्न बनाते हैं, this is known as number sequence, right? Now, so students, ये जो आपका next figure it out है, this one, ये figure it out based है आपकी इस टेबल पे, जो आपको ये टेबल गिवन है. ये टेबल गिवन है. First we will understand this table. What is the table? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it has written all are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the counting numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are the odd numbers. I hope you all are aware about these types of numbers. Counting numbers, normally the natural numbers, odd numbers, which has no pair, right? We cannot divide equally. 2, 4, 5, 6, these are the even number which we can divide equally. Then 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, these are known as triangular number. Why we are getting triangular number? We will understand it. Then these are the squares number, these are cube numbers, these are Viranka numbers, these are power of 2, these are powers of 3. Now, first question is saying, can you recognize the pattern in each of the sequence in table 1? क्या आप कोई पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइज कर पा रहे हैं जो आपको टेबल 1 में गिवन है? So yes, there is the pattern. What is the pattern? We will learn it. See. Table 2. Rewrite each sequence of table 1 in your notebook along with the next three numbers in each sequence. After each sequence, write in your own words what is the rule for forming the numbers in the sequence. So, ये क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि इस टेबल को आपको फिर से रिक्रिएट करना है. उसके बाद आपको नेक्स्ट नंबर्स लिखने हैं, नेक्स्ट थ्री नंबर्स लिखने हैं और आपको बताना है कि क्या इसका रीजन है. राइट. So, suppose this is the table, right? This is the only table. I am writing the next three numbers and rules, or you can say the explanation. First, all are one. So, next three also 1, 1, 1. And what is the rule? What is the rule? All are ones to be returned so that the next two numbers, because there is no rule actually, or you can say that adding 0 you will get all ones. So all are ones only. Next is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next two number is 8, 9, 10. So why this is? This is the counting numbers, means adding 1 in the last number. How we are getting? So इसमें देखो, अगर मैं 7 में देखो 1 में 1 ऐड किया, 2 में प्लस 1 किया, 3 प्लस 1 किया, 4 प्लस 1 किया, 5 प्लस 1 किया, 6 प्लस 1 किया, 7 प्लस 1 किया, 8, then 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Right? Next is this odd number. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So अगर मैं इसका पैटर्न देखूं तो इनके बीच में मेरा गैप है +2, फिर इसके बीच में भी +2, then this is also +2, this is also +2. So what I am getting कि जब मैं 2 हर एक नंबर में ऐड करते जा रही हूँ, जो भी मेरा लास्ट नंबर आया है, then I am getting the next number. Right? So the last number is 13. So 13 के बाद +2 करेंगे, then it is 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. So these are what I am doing here, adding 2 in the last. Previous number or the last number. Next is your even number. Even number में भी आपका अगर आप चेक करो, so your numbers start from 2 and adding 4. So my next number will be 16, 18, 20. Start from 2 and add 2 in last number. So next is your triangular number. Triangular number में क्या हो रहा है? That we are adding consecutive counting numbers in each term. Like suppose अगर मैं 1 first number की बात करूँ तो I am getting start 1. right? 1 will be 1 only. Then so I will get 3. Then I will do 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then what I'm getting? 6. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then I'm getting 10. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then I'm getting 15. So these are the triangular number 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. And how I'm getting? I'm getting by adding consecutive numbers. अगर मैं consecutive numbers को जो counting numbers होते हैं उन्हें add कर रही हूँ, so I am getting triangular numbers. So what is the rule? What is the next number then? After 28 मुझे क्या number मिलेगा? जल्दी. Then I will get 36, 45, 55. And what we are doing, each term is the sum of n consecutive number. Counting numbers actually. Consecutive counting numbers. Next is your square number. अब square number is what? देखो, first number is 1. If I multiply 1 by 1, we are getting 1. The next number is 4. Then 2 into 2, it is 4. Next number is 9. Then 3 into 3 is 9. So what is the sequences? कि जो भी मैं नंबर ले रही हूँ, काउंटिंग नंबर्स ले रही हूँ, इन्हीं को अगर मैं सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ, then I'll get my square number. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 6. 5 into 5, 6, 25. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 7, 47, 49. The next is your 8 into 8, which is 64. The next is your 9 into 9, that is 81. And next is 10 into 10, that is 100. So these are the next three numbers. And how we are getting? We are multiplying the same number 2 times, or you can say the number itself. So next numbers are 64, 81 and 100. And what is the rule of this? Let me write here 64, 81 and 100. And what is the rule? The rule is that product of counting numbers by itself, right? Next is your cube number. This is the cube number. Cube number अगर आप check करो, so how we are getting 1, if I multiply 3 times, I'll get 1. When I multiply 2 3 times, I'll get 8. When I multiply 3 times, then I'll get 27 and so on. So this is the 1, this is 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. So next will be 7 into 7 into 7 and then 8 into 8 into 8, then 9 into 9 into 9. Do the calculation of these three numbers so that you can write it here. So the first is 7 into 7 into 7. This is 3, 4, 3. Then 8 into 8 into 8. It is 5, 1, 2. 9 into 9 into 9. And that is 729. And what is the rule of this pattern? Cube 1. That the number multiply 3 times by itself. Product of counting numbers 3 times itself. Next is your Viranka number. This is a Viranka number 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. So how we are getting it? How we are getting it? इसमें क्या बन रहा है? जो 3 नंबर है, 3 कैसे आया? मैंने लास्ट के 2 नंबर्स ऐड कर दिए. So this is 1 and 2, 3. अच्छा, फिर ये 5 कैसे आया होगा? I added 2 plus 3. Then how we are getting 8? 3 plus 8. Then how we are getting 8 plus 5? Then how we are getting 21? 13 plus 8. So next number कैसे आएगा? 21 plus 13. Right? तो कैसे आ रहा है देखो. मेरा सीक्वेंस है 1, 2, 3, then 5, then 8, then 13 and 21. So कैसे आया? What we are getting? To get the next number, we are adding the last two numbers. So to get 3, 1 plus 2. To get 5, so what I am doing? I am adding these two numbers. Then to get 8, what I am doing? I am adding these two numbers. Last two numbers हम add कर रहे हैं. अगर मुझे 13 निकालना है तो which numbers I have to add? 5 and 8. Then 8 and 13. Then 13 and 21. So 13 and 21, which number you will get? You will get 34. Right? Then next 34 and 21 and 34. What is the next number? It is 55. What is the next number? Add these two numbers. Then you will get 89. So these are the numbers of Viranka. Right? So now we will write the pattern. First we will write the next three numbers. और हम फिर पैटर्न बताएंगे कि क्या पैटर्न है. तो नेक्स्ट नंबर वाज next number 34, 55 and 89. And what is the rule here? What is the rule here? Sum of the each term is the sum of last two terms. Now, next is your power of 2. Power of 2 is what? Power of 2. Power of 2 is what? 1. Power of 2 means 2. The base will be 2. Start from 0. Then 2 power 1. Then 2 power 2. Then 2 power 3. Then 2 power 4. This is power 2. So this is the fact. अगर कोई किसी की भी पावर 0 होती है, किसी भी कोई भी वैल्यू, ये वेरिएबल है, कोई भी वैल्यू अगर उसकी पावर 0 है तो आपको हमेशा 1 आंसर मिलता है. सो अगर 2 की पावर 0 है, यू विल गेट 1. 2 की पावर 1 का मतलब है 2 को 1 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करो, देन यू विल गेट 2. 2 की पावर 2 का मतलब 2 को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करो, यू विल गेट 4. 2 की पावर 3 मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई 3 टाइम्स, देन दिस इज 8. 2 की पावर 4 मीन्स 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. So what is the answer? 16. Just check. Are we getting the same sequence? Yes, we are getting the same sequence. This is the power of 2. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So the next number will be, next number क्या आ जाएंगे हमारे? ये होगा हमारा 2 की पावर 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next number will be 2 की पावर 6, 2 की पावर 7, sorry, 2 की पावर 7, 2 की पावर 8 and 2 की पावर 9. Right? So 2 की पावर 7 का मतलब है कि आप 2 को कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 7 times. And 7 times जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then you will get फर्स्ट नंबर आपको आएगा 128. फिर नेक्स्ट नंबर आपका आएगा 2 की पावर 8. तो आपके नेक्स्ट नंबर आएंगे 128, 256 एंड 512 और हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? What are we doing in this sequence? Next number is the double of last number. कैसे? आज का एक और तरीका है, आप one more way to get power of 2. Start from 1, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 2 आएगा, देन फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 4 आएगा, देन मल्टीप्लाई करें 8 आएगा, देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 का मतलब है डबल करना है, तो 8 2 16, देन 16 इंटू 2 करेंगे 32, देन 32 इंटू 2 करेंगे. व्हाट आर वी डूइंग? नेक्स्ट नंबर लेने के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम सबको डबल कर रहे हैं. सो 32 इंटू 2 64, तो मेरा नेक्स्ट नंबर कैसे आ जाएगा? 64 इंटू 2 128, फिर 128 इंटू 2 256, then 256 into 2 512. So this is a rule that we are going to double off each number, right? Last is power of 3. अब जैसे हमने यहाँ पे डबल किया है, यहाँ पे हम क्या कर देंगे? ट्रिपल कर देंगे. So ये नंबर देखो कैसे आया. My number are 1 3 9 27 81 243 729. So 1 को 3 से किया 3, 3 को 3 से किया 9, 9 इंटू 3 27, 27 इंटू 3 81, 81 इंटू 3 243, 243 इंटू 3 729, then multiply by 3. So what is the next number we are getting? What we will get? 729 into 3 2187. Then इस नंबर को फिर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 करेंगे तो 6561. फिर इस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 करेंगे 19683. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? नेक्स्ट नंबर is the thrice of last number. So this is the explanation of 3 pages 1, 2 and 3. I hope you will understand the pattern and how we are getting the answer, how we are getting the next 3 numbers. Thank you so much to watch this video.